Okay. Next is question number 8. Find the complement of 21 degree 17 minutes. So we have to subtract that from 90 to get the complement. 90 minus 21 degree 17 minutes. So we have to write 90 degree as in degrees and minutes. 90 degree means 89 degree plus 1 degree, no? So you can write it as 89 degree 60 minutes. 1 degree can be written as 60 minutes. So we split 90 as 89 plus 1. 1 degree means 60 minutes. Minus 21 degree 17 minutes. So subtract it. So that is 68 degree 43 minutes. This is the solution. Next is question number 11. Write the supplement of. First one is homework. Let us do the second problem. That is, find the supplement of 0 degree. How can we find the supplement of 0 degree? Yes, supplement angles means they make the sum 180 degree. So let subtract 180, 0 from 180, which gives the supplement. That is equal to 180 degree. Next is question number 3. Find the supplement of x degree. How can we find the supplement of x degree? Yes, 180 degree minus x degree. So 180 minus x degree. Next is fourth one, that is homework. Fifth question. Find the supplement of 90 plus a plus b degree. How can we find the supplement of 90 plus a plus b degree? Just subtract that angle, that is 90 plus a plus b, from 180 to get the solution. What is 180 minus 90? It's 90, no? Minus a minus b. Okay, together we can write in degree. This is the solution. Okay. Now the next is sixth one, homework. Seventh question also homework. First you find 1/5 of right angle, that is 1 by 5 into 90. Then you subtract that value from 180, that much only. Now the eighth question. Eighth question is, find the supplement of 80 degree 49 minutes and 25 seconds. So how can we find the supplement? Yes, to find the supplement, we have to subtract this angle 80 degree 49 minutes and 25 seconds from 180. Supplementary angles means they make the sum 180 degree. You learned that. So to find the supplement, you just subtract that angle from 180 degree. Then how can we write that 180 degree in minutes and seconds? Yes, this can be written as 49 minutes 25 seconds. Okay. Now this 180 can be written as 179 degree plus 1 degree, no, 179 and plus 1. Okay. But we have to write in seconds and minutes. Then how can we write that? Yes, 1 degree means it is 60 minutes, no? And 60 minutes means how can we divide into minute and seconds? 60 minutes and 59. See, look at this, 179 degree. This 1 degree can be written as 60 minutes. And we need second also. So you can write 59 minutes. And the remaining 1 minutes we can express in seconds. Okay. It's 60 seconds. Minus 80 degree, 49 minutes, 25 seconds. Understood? This one 180 can be written as 179 plus 1 degree, and the 1 degree can be divided into 60 minutes, and 60 minutes in which we can take 59 minutes, and the 1 minute means 60 seconds, no? So you express 1 degree as 59 minutes 60 seconds and subtract these two values. It's 99 degree 10 minutes 35 seconds. Okay. Next is question number 12. Are the following pairs of angles complementary? First is homework. Second question. 37 degree 28 minutes and 52 degree 33 minutes. Are they complement? That is the question. How can we find the numbers are complement or not? Yes, just add them. If the sum is 90 degree, we can say that yes, the following pairs of angles are complementary. This is 89 degree 61 minutes. We know that 60 minutes is 1 degree, no? So 1 degree 1 minute. So 90 degree 1 minute. But 90 degree should be the sum, no? So it's not equal to 90 degree. Therefore, no. The pair of angles is not complementary. Okay. Now the next question. Question number 3. X plus 16 degree and 74 minus x degree. Are they complement? Let us find the sum. X plus 16 plus 74 minus x. Sum of the angles. What is the sum? X minus x0 and 74 plus 16 is 90 degree. So the sum is 90 degree. Therefore, yes. The pair of angles is complementary. Do the fourth one, 12th, 4th as homework. Now the 13th question. Are the following pairs of angles supplementary? First one, homework. Just add the values, and if the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree, we can say yes, they are supplement. Now let us check the second one. 26 degree 59 minutes and 153 degree 1 minute. Let us add this. That is 179 degree 60 minutes. But we know that 60 minutes equal to 1 degree. So that is equal to 179 degree plus 1 degree. What is that? Yes, 180 degree. Since the sum is 180 degree, the angles are supplementary. Sum of the angles is 180 degree. Therefore, yes, the angles are supplementary. Understood? Next question, third one. 3 by 10 of a right angle and 4 by 15 of two right angles. 3 by 10 of right angle means 90 degree. 3 by 10 into 90 degree. And 4 by 15 of two right angles. Two right angles means 90 plus 90, no? That is 180 degree. Find it out. This is 9 So this is 27 degree and this one 48 degree. What about the sum of the angles? Sum equal to 27 degree plus 48 degree. 75 degree, which is not equal to 180 degree, no? So these angles are not supplementary. So you can see the sum of the angles 3 by 10 of right angle and 4 by 15 of two right angles is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore the angles are not supplementary. Okay. Now the next question, fourth one is homework. Question number 14. If 3x plus 18 degree and 2x plus 25 degree are supplementary, find the value of x. So, the two given angles are supplementary. What is the meaning? Yes, their sum is equal to 180 degree since the angles are supplementary. Which means sum, that is 3x plus 18 plus 2x plus 25 gives the sum 180 degree. Okay, you should know the sum of supplementary angles. Now let us rearrange the like terms 3x and 2x together plus 18 and 25 equal to 180 degree. What is 3x plus 2x? It's 5x and this one 43 is equal to 180 degree. So how can we find 5x? Yes, subtract 43 from 180. 137 degrees. So how can we find the value of x? 137 by 5. 2 5s are 10 and remainder 337. So 7 5s are 35, remainder 20. So 4 5s are 20. 27.4 degree is the value of x. Okay. Now question number 15. If two complementary angles are in the ratio 1:5, find the ratio of angles 1:2. Then how can we find the two angles? They are complementary angles that also given. So let 1x and 2x be the angles. 1x and 2x be the angles. And they are complementary. The angles are complementary, which implies the sum of 1x and 2x must be, yes, 90 degree. That is 3x must be 90 degree. Then can you say what is x? Yes, 90 by 3, 30 degree. Now how can we find each angle? Yes, we took 1x and 2x as the angles, no? So 1x means 1 into 30, that is 30 degree itself, and 2x means 2 into 30, that is 60 degree. You can verify this also. What is 60 plus 30? It's 90. So they are complementary angles. Do the 60 in the problem, same type homework. Here in this question it is given they are supplementary. So you should take the sum as 180 degree, that is the only change. Do the problems. Okay.